Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the table to the start list in the Google Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Sheets. And here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to select the table that we want to add to start, tap on the three dots next to its name, and then at the top of this list we find add to start. We just tap on this, and then this table is going to be added to the start list. We can check the list here in the top left corner, tapping on the three lines and then tapping on start, and here we have all of the tables that have been marked like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.